Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in global sentiment, with a score of plus 0.16 and momentum climbing to plus 0.55 over the last 24 hours. This isn't just noise, it's a significant shift compared to our historical baseline, indicating a surge in positive sentiment that's ripe for analysis. Our World Sentiment API returns detailed insights, including sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters, so you can understand the underlying factors driving this change. Imagine leveraging this data to adjust your content strategy in real time, or to inform your investment decisions. By tapping into these insights, you can act faster and smarter than your competition. Dive deeper into this data by checking out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Get the insights you need to stay ahead.